Kids, get the popcorn now. Let me tell you the story of the space Viking, Thor Odinson. He was no ordinary man. He was a god.
Well, you're right.
The only ones who gods care about is themselves.
So this is my vow.
All gods will die.
I just want to say that was very, very impressive what you did back there.
He's just my first bad guy.
You never forget your first.
You are not like the other gods that kill.
Because I have something worth fighting for.
Let's see who you are. I take off your disguise. And flick.
Oh,
You flipped too hard, damn it!
Should we help him? I mean, eventually, grape.